Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome again to Snacks Thoughts. Again, I say welcome to Snacks Thoughts. And for this podcast, just when we think that things couldn't get any stranger, I mean, you hear people talk about Agenda 21, these COVID-19 vaccinations. We're looking at, food lines increasing, a tsunami of job losses. And people had been wondering what was the agenda with all this this global lockdown or this global reset. And so now there was an article where the airlines or the government is trying to come out with some type of COVID-19 digital passport. And this passport, it'll be required for international travel. Now, what it's basically called is it's a digital health passport app. And what this will enable the governments, this is worldwide, and airlines to do, should the airlines roll with it. But I mean, if the government enforces it, then the airlines won't have a choice. But what it will enable them to do is to collect data of each passenger that is going to travel internationally to make sure that they have been vaccinated for the COVID-19 and make sure that they're tested. So, I mean, to me, it looks more like a way of controlling populations and their movements worldwide. And I believe that this is all part of the global reset. I'd always felt that there was more to this pandemic and to these lockdowns, to the the economies worldwide than what met the eye. And now we're beginning to see that they are immediately moving forward with these different agendas and putting these things into place. Now, this digital health passport, for short, is called the iata travel pass. So this is what they're instituting, and supposedly they're in the final stages of it, and it's supposed to be ready in the first quarter of 2021. So it should be ready anywhere from January, no later than April 2021, where if you're going to travel internationally, you have to have an iata travel pass. And basically it's a digital health passport app, to ensure that passengers traveling internationally have been vaccinated for the COVID-19 and that they've been tested. So basically, what they're saying is that if you don't have this, if you haven't taken the vaccination and been tested for it, then basically you can't travel internationally. And obviously, I'm quite sure if they're going with it internationally, then eventually it's going to work its way down to domestic. So, just another form of control. I mean, you see them, they're decimating currencies, decimating the U.S. dollar. They basically are destroying the middle class and shut down, forced a lot of other, small business owners to shut their businesses down, and so they can't get enough revenue to keep their businesses open. So the more I look at it, it seems more like it's coming into basic control, where they control the finances. They are able to, in a sense, inventory or censor the people. They know exactly what your movements are, what exactly what you're spending. And then they also are controlling, the money, and the resources, They're controlling the resources and the population. And that's what I see going on. But, for this podcast, I guess I would just put up a digital health pass. I mean, why should we be surprised? And I believe that there is definitely going to be more things coming out. I believe that digital US dollar, Fed Connect, I believe that'll probably be introduced sometime in 2021. But don't quote me on that. But I foresee some things happening. There's just no way that you can keep on printing all this money in the US dollar like that and eventually it not hyperinflate, to where they're going to have to basically do away with it, and they basically shift us in to the digital era. Hey, artificial intelligence, we've already been, on the cards with the chips in them, but they are immediately, this is no longer fast, this is immediate. They are shifting us into the global reset, and to me, it looks like they're lining everything up, into one world order. But can you believe it? Dig that. But that's all I have for this one on this episode, of Snacks Thoughts. But it's something to think about. But as I said before, get ready, because I believe they have there's more changes that they're going to immediately usher into effect. And they're going to make it law and a requirement. But we'll see. But I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out, this, article yourself. Or if you just want to, put the link in Google and just check it out for yourself so you can see it and just verify it. But yeah, here we go. COVID-19 digital travel passport. Can you believe it? But that's all I have for this one. Thanks, guys, for listening. And again, this podcast is called Snacks Thoughts. That's SNAKZTHOUGHTS. And you can find me on Anchor, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Podcasts, Spreaker, Radio PBM, Listen, SoundCloud, and a host of other social media platforms. And I also have a YouTube channel called Eric Broadus YouTube. That's EricBrodus YouTube, or ericbrodusyoutube.com. So go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe, hit that bell, to subscribe. Smash the like button when you get over there to check me out over there. And also subscribe to Snacks Thoughts. And I ask that you please share this podcast, Snacks Thoughts. Push it out. Share it. Friends, families, enemies, associates, co-workers, whomever, and share Eric Broadus YouTube. But here we go, guys. Get ready. 2021. Saddle up and get ready. Digital health passport. Wow. Can you believe it? Here we go again. Peace out, guys.